Today I'm going to share with you what I pack in my carry-on backpack. If you see my little baby back there, that's my baby captain. We just went on a walk, so he should be tired. Hopefully he won't burst out barking if he sees a squirrel outside. Not too long ago, I shared like the process of how I plan my outfits when I go to Japan. And now I'm going to show you what I pack in my carry-on backpack. I do pack a lot of things. I'm just the type that worries a lot. So I want to make sure I have everything just in case, worst case scenario if this or that happens. To start it off, I pack everything in my Low & Sons Melrose backpack. This is what it looks like. It's a very nice, sleek backpack. I do have a review specifically just on this backpack if you're curious about this backpack. But today I'm going to focus more on what I put inside this backpack for my long haul flight to Japan. I will be leaving from LAX to Narita Airport, and on the way there, it is almost a 12-hour flight. Yeah, it's pretty long. So yes, let's get into what I pack in here. All right, so here is my Melrose backpack, and I'm going to show you the first compartment, which is up here. And this actually is also a purse. And the way it turns into a purse is I basically just unzip the top here, and then I can attach straps. The straps do come with the backpack. So this actually does come in handy. I have an exit row seat, and I like to put this purse on me and then put a jacket over me, and then I like to sit at my seat. So this is how I utilize this little pouch here, purse, when I am on my long haul flights. So when I open this up, like I said, this is like my most important items that I want to have with me at all times. It's going to go in here. The first thing I'm going to pull out are things that actually I'll probably put in the pocket of my jacket that I'll be wearing on my flight. So for example, tissue. Yes, you can probably get tissue on your flight, but I hate having to ask for things. So if I can carry it myself, I'll bring it myself. And the flights are usually so cold, so I always have tissue with me. Lotion, because my hands become extremely dry on flights. This is like my favorite. I always bring this on my flights. So I'm starting to get a little bit old, but this is a must for me. This will be in my pocket as well. And then this will be for when I land, so I can have a little bit of color on my lips. I won't put this in my pocket. This will be in the bag. So these are the three things I'll have in my jacket pocket, just so I have easy access to it at all times. And then I have my wallet. This is my Low & Sons wallet. For other countries, I don't take a wallet. Japan only I do, because in Japan, I do use cash quite often at mom and pop shops, or just like random miscellaneous places that only take cash, in which you will find quite establishments like that in Japan. So that's why I always have a little wallet with me. Specifically a wallet with me where there is a little coin purse, because you will be carrying a lot of coins with you in Japan, surprisingly. It never fails every trip. I have a lot of coins with me. I use a lot of coins when I'm paying, so this is leftover from last time. I liked the fact that it had two slots here. One, I can put my yen in here, and then on the other side I can put my US dollars. I thought that was so handy. And then some of my credit cards. So this is something that will really come in handy in Japan, because like I said, you will be using coins a lot in Japan. So I could have used this as my coin purse, but I actually am using this to put my over-the-counter medications. And inside here I have stuff like Advil, Dramamine, Imodium, NyQuil, allergy meds. I actually have some gum. And then on the other side, I have some alcohol wipes, plastic bags. Now, Japan has over-the-counter medications readily available wherever you go, pretty much. It's not hard to find a pharmacy. But this is just like if I'm on my flight and I have a headache or something happens, I'll be prepared, because 12 hours is a long time. So I just get nervous not having these little over-the-counter medications with me. And this is not something I just take on trips. I have this in my purse at all times. So this is where I put my AirPod necklace. Obviously on my flight, I'm probably going to watch movies. I don't want to lose my AirPods, which I'm sure happens a lot on flights. They pop out of your ears, and this will secure your AirPods. And this one I got from Crystal for my birthday from a seller on Etsy. This other pouch, you're probably wondering, like, why do you have two pouches? This is like if I want to remove any of the jewelry I'm wearing, I can stick it in here too. So that's why I have that. Speaking of AirPods, this is how I listen to, or this is how I watch movies with my AirPods, because obviously it's wireless, so you have to be able to you have a signal to connect to their system. So AirFly is what does that. It's really simple to use. Plug this in to the system on your flight, and then that's it. And then it pairs with your AirPods. And this I'm going to put in my pocket as well, in my coat. When I get to my seat, I always wipe down everything. My seat, my handles, whatever I can wipe down, I'll wipe down, because you just never know what kind of germs are there. So that's why I have that. Here are my AirPods, and I like that this purse has a key leash. I am also bringing my other wired Apple headphones just in case the AirPods fail me on my flight for whatever reason. It's never happened, but just in case, I'll bring my other one with me. And then of course, my passport also has some wet wipe. This was free from a flight I took a little while ago. Here is a little mirror. You know, before we land, I like to just do a little bit of touch up. So I have a little mirror, and that's it. So that's everything that goes in the little pouch up top, or you know, purse. Okay, so moving on down to the other compartment on the bottom here. Now there are two compartments here. There's a back one that's hidden, but I'll get to that one next. But the front one is where I put my liquids. Now I used to carry a lot more, but nowadays I really don't. I just put it on my check-in. And this is just saline spray. This is the first time I'm going to take it on a flight. And then I also like to keep in here my my Ray-Bans. This is the Meta Ray-Ban. If you're interested in that, I do have a review on that. Sometimes I like to record things hands-free, so that's when I pull this out. I have a pen in here, another plastic bag. So this is a bandolette for my iPhone. So sometimes, most of the times I have my phone on a strap where I wear crossbody, but sometimes I don't have the strap on me. So I'll attach this to my phone. So I like to have that. I have this. This is my little, what do you call this? Carabiners. This is a Doraemon version. This comes in handy, like for example, if for whatever reason I have to attach something to the bag, you know, and I have no room, I can use this. And I don't know if I put anything in this pocket. Oh, I did. Some more disinfecting wipes. Yes, I am, I guess, a germaphobe, so I like to carry some disinfectant wipes. I would have purchased more of those single-use ones, but I couldn't find it this time on Amazon. I had to buy like a whole bunch, and I didn't want to. So I went to Target, and that's where I got that. There's like 9 wipes in there. So that's everything that's in the front pocket here. All right, so for the other pocket back here, this is where I keep my camera. Sony camera, and I also have in here an extra lens, and then inside here are little accessories for the camera, like the remote control, extra batteries, and external hard drive, so if you know my card gets full. And then this is a battery pack. Also, I don't know if this is true, but I've been seeing lately on social media that if you do take any type of battery pack on your flight, all the information has to be visible. And I like to stick it in this. This is actually a cover you put over a bottle that I bought at Daiso, but I thought that was such a great idea for this so it doesn't like scratch up my camera. Got this on Amazon. This is a charger for my iPhone and other, you know, ports here if I want to charge other devices. And I think that's it. Yeah, that's everything that's in the compartment here. I call this my camera compartment. I mean, you can also put shoes in here, but for me, I've always used it just for my camera. Okay. And on the side here, you'll see that there's compartments here for miscellaneous items. I like to put my selfie stick in here, so that's on that side. And then on this side, I have my glasses, but actually I'll probably put it inside the top compartment just because I'll most likely buy water at the airport, and I'll put that in here. So this is the top compartment. This is some sanitary items for women, just in case something happens. I always carry an extra day of clothes with me. So this, I have undies, pants, and a top, and it's all black. This is just in case if my luggage gets lost or delayed. I do have just 1 day's worth of clothes in my carry-on backpack. Or, you know, what if the flight gets diverted somewhere and you land somewhere else for the day or whatever. Anyways, that's what I have in there. And I also love this backpack because there's like mesh pockets inside here. There's so many ways you can organize. And put this in here. And also on the morning that I leave, I actually have a little bit of room left over here. I like to make 2 onigiris for my flight, and that's what's in my top compartment. Now, if I want to pack a laptop, I can on the side here. I still haven't decided yet if I want to take my laptop on this trip. And then that's it. That is everything I put in my carry-on backpack. They're getting bored watching me showing you what I pack on my my carry-on backpack. But that is everything I take on my carry-on backpack. Like I said, I like to over-prepare. It just helps me relax. I get super anxious on flights. I hate flying. I really do. Helps to calm me down a little bit. And of course, then I take the Dramamine and then it knocks me out. And then I'm in Japan. All right, so I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.